Hi. So we are currently in Budapest. I've just arrived from Slovenia, which was the video right before this one. So if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. But hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Budapest. It's currently 6 p.m. I've just been on an 8-hour train, and that's my first very long commute in Europe so far. And it was a very hot day, so I was sweating balls. But anyway, I have just texted Connor, who got here this morning. He said that he is thinking of going to Ruin Bars tonight. So I'm going to go maybe meet with him, see if I can have a little night out. Maybe Connor and I will meet more friends here. We had such a good group of friends in Slovenia, and Lake Bled was like the best hostel. It was a communal space, and we just had the best time meeting people. And then with our group of friends that we made, we all went to different pubs together, and it was really fun and wholesome, and we did hikes together. So anyway, I'm feeling a bit blue about leaving everyone behind, but now that I'm in Budapest, I need to zone out of the beautiful mountains of Lake Bled and get into the mode of cities again. So city life. But yeah, it sounds really exciting. Ruin Bars, I heard they're really good, being recommended by heaps of people. Connor's down, and then he's also down to maybe go to some baths tomorrow, especially if we might feel fragile after going out tonight. So that's kind of the rough plan. This room is nice and quiet. There's only one other person in here. I'm sure that'll probably change by the end of tonight. They just fill up so quickly. People leave, people come and go so quickly. But yeah, I'm really liking this hostel. It's actually really big, and the accommodation facilities are amazing. So yeah, already looking and happy about that. What else can I tell you? There's a little right outside, which is super convenient to get a shop in and play low budget, especially if I'm spending alcohol, money on alcohol. Then it's just worth it just cooking for yourself a little bit more than going out every day, because traveling for 3 months, it's just what you have to do. Oh, also, I've decided my bag is way too heavy. This thing I've had for a week, right? And it is so heavy. I can't even function with it. So I've decided to essentially take shit out, package it up, and post a box back to London, because I just am not coping. And if I get to Italy and it's literally 40-degree weather, and I'm going every single day with this backpack to a new city, I will die. I will actually die. Anyway, so that's the update with that. And yeah, I'm now gonna go have a shower and get ready to go out with Connor. Peace. I'm in Budapest with Connor.
Sightseeing here.
Boys and their games, I don't get it.
Hello. Comment ça va? Yeah, French vibes. Hello, I'm Luis. I'm from France, yeah.
From Normandy.
From Normandy, yeah, you know.
Where are we going?
I'm going in Ruin Bar.
Ruin Bars,
yeah.
yes,
Ruin
in
Bar,
Budapest.
Yeah. To what? To drink some
Beer!
Some beer, yeah.
In multiple bars. You like to do this, don't you? Ah!
Very nice place. We haven't fully explored it yet, but we will eventually.
Huh? The sun has just come out as well. We got really lucky, but it was super cloudy earlier. Now it's really warm.
Cause it's my lazy day, just wanna lazy away. Ain't gonna do a thing for the rest of the day. You can try to seduce me, make me wanna play. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Let's call some friends over for a game of poker or so. Well, I don't know about that.
We're literally the last people here because we've loved it so much. If you come to Budapest, you definitely have to go to the baths. I do think it is worth it. There's a couple of different types of baths that you can go to. Yeah, definitely a highlight so far. We're now probably gonna head to the Heroes Viewpoint or something, because it's just in the same park, and then we'll probably head for dinner or drinks.
You're the radio. Well, I don't know about that. There's a whole list full of all the things we can do, but I want to do enough. Wish that you did too. So you can just keep trying, and I'll just keep saying, I don't know about that.
Yeah, honey mustard,
Pork chop with baby potatoes and veg.
and then this is the goulash beef stew. Hello, Irish pubs with Irish, obviously.
Yeah, well, two of us are.
Two.
So, yeah.
Well, yeah. Cheers, Guinness.
Scotland.
Scotland! We all met last night.
So basically love, you know.
Yeah, and now we caught up again. Now we're going out again.
I love it.
The D-Town.
You're gonna have to do some of that, so we'll see it. Like 20 to 5. That's
20, it's bright outside. Listen, it's really fun to go out in Budapest. You
So-
can't blame us, okay?
Like we had such good intentions.
We had such good
At the
intentions
latest.
to leave like at 12, and it was so much fun
And then we
in
bumped
there.
into our friends, and then one thing led to another. That's
And
all our
like,
fault.
you know, you only live once, you know?
YOLO.
Exactly. So we're gonna do a walking tour tomorrow.
Be educated.
If we make
on
it,
Budapest.
I'm gonna be very impressed.
No, we aren't.
No, we're
I
gonna
don't
make
like
it.
that
We're gonna
pessimism.
make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Okay, bye. Morning. I've lost my voice because I was singing so much last night. I'm going to do a walking tour now. And then we're also doing a boat trip tonight. So lots of touristy things today. I think when I arrived yesterday, the day before yesterday, I arrived at like 6 p.m. So I just went out. And then yesterday we went to the baths. So I really haven't seen any of Budapest. So today's like the day to see everything, really. We'll see how we go with that. I went out last night. I think I got home at like 5 in the morning. So it was obviously a good night out. This is definitely like a really fun place to go out. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit fresh today. Definitely need a coffee at the market. But yeah, heading to the market now. I hope that Connor wakes up and checks out of his hostel in time. Anyway, come along for a walking tour. So cue the walking tour montage, if you will. Is it a lighter? Oh, love.
Words of Jesus Christ from the New Testament. Well done, by the way, everybody. And this is the reason why there is a golden mosaic of Jesus Christ.
Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see. Sail home, sweet home, where the ship.
The name of Pest, that's how we pronounce Pest actually. There's a cave on the other side. Back then it was a natural cave. Steam started rising out of the mouth of the cave. People started calling it the stove or the oven, which is piec or pech, something along the lines. That slowly morphed into Pest, made its way through the river, and that's how it became the name of this neighborhood where we currently are.
How are you feeling after
So
last
good.
night?
I love how we really were committed to being home by 10. It started wholesome. We had a nice meal, then we had a Guinness in an Irish pub, and it went downhill from there.
Yeah, we're glad we booked something in today so that it like forced us out of bed and walking, which is probably a good thing. So
I don't know how good I have shin splints, so currently in pain, but we'll just drink later and numb it.
that's the attitude.
Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flight.
And this is the third largest parliament in the world.
Steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the sun serves
That's right, round.
to today.
I'm heading out tonight with Connor and two of the boys that we met. We're going to a boat cruise and then we might head out. I really don't want a big one, but I did say that yesterday, so we'll just see. I'm just packing now like a whole bunch of stuff into a bag, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to the post office and post it back to London. I think that just having 2 pairs of sneakers is unnecessary, and I've got way too many tops. I've got 3 pairs of bathers and I just don't need that many things. So I am posting things back just to make my pack lighter. I've still got, 2 months left on this trip, and that's a whole bag full of stuff that I just don't need in the backpack. The walking tour was really worth it. I think that there's so much history here in Budapest. Like, why is it Buddha on one side, Pest on the other side? When did they merge into one city? So yeah, it was just really interesting. So yeah, highly recommend a walking tour if you're in Budapest. I think I'm gonna do a walking tour in most cities. Some you can get away with not doing it, but this one in particular, I was like, no, I know that there's a lot of history and stuff, and I'd rather know than not know. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna quickly get ready now, and then Connor and I are gonna walk to the boys' apartment, and then we'll all go together to the boat trip. So, very touristy day. I also went to the Fisherman's Bastion, and it was really, really nice. Anyway, that's the update. See you on the boat trip. Lovely. Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers. So much. Yes, Kimmy.
It's the last night in Budapest.
Let the dogs out! Cruise, cruise on the move. Woo! Safety first, guys.
In typical Casey fashion, I'm editing a video on the train. I just wanted to quickly come in here and say, I'm sorry I didn't say bye at the end of the vlog, but essentially I had the most amazing time in Budapest. I now head to Vienna. Well, actually, I'm currently on a train in Switzerland, but the next video you'll see is me heading to Vienna. If you've gone this far, thank you so much. Like the video if you did. Subscribe so you can see the next video where I head to Vienna. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
We have to go to the Apple store today because Connor lost his phone.